This
knowledge.
conference will now be
The first
recorded.
one, the guidelines for training material sessions. It has practical insights about each model methodology. It summarizes each model in terms of objectives, approach of the different activities, and external links or information that might be helpful. The second material is the practical useful material, training manual for trainers. It has the extended version of the model learning material, including the instructions for the practical activities. This material has been done in a way that also trainees can have it. And the learning material presentations. Finally, you will have the learning material in the interactive platform. There you can find a visual appealing form of the different models in order to present the information that is in the practical useful material. Now, these tips are advice from a wide range of people to make sure that you have pay attention to every single detail. First of all, you need to show your passion and connect with your audience so nervousness must be put away. We will advise you at the beginning of each lesson to tell them why this lesson is important and why it matters to you. You can help yourself by reading the guidelines in the theoretical material. Other aspect that you need to have in mind is to know the needs of your audience. And by that, it will be helpful to review in the interactive platform in the part related to the report of the Young Entrepreneurs Environment that this project has been implemented. While you're giving the presentation, you also need to remain focused on your audience responses and react to that. Keep it simple. You should be able to concentrate on your core message and transfer this in a simple manner. If you smile and make eye contact, you're building rapport, which helps the audience to connect with you and your subject. Also, grab your audience attention and hold it. They will give you a few minutes grace in which to entertain them. So be able to create stories on your own or cases in which you can provide them an example. It is important to use your voice effectively. Do not say with the same level of voice during all the presentation that will kill the audience or help them to speak. And since we're talking about dynamism, use your body too, but be careful not to look like you're dancing. Finally, just remember to enjoy. At the end, everything is about transmitting something that for you is meaningful, so you should have fun doing that. Now, get to know your students. Icebreakers and energizers help set the tone for the semester by creating a welcoming and collaborative spirit in the classroom. Ask students to share something unique about themselves. Also, invite students to start some of the classes. Here, the activity could range from a short 5-minute presentation on how the material in one course relates to the other material in another course. The students is taking no longer than 15 minutes lesson on a specific topic. Furthermore, it is really important to find out what's new. Create more immediacy and relevance to course material by designing in-class activities that ask the students to connect current events to course material. And don't forget to build feedback in your course. Feedback can occur between teachers and between trainers and trainees to trainers. For example, after a group assignment, ask trainees to do a self-assessment on how well they perform the task and assess how the group performed as a whole. Thank you for your participation. For more information, consult the website.
Okay, thank you so much for today. Today was very short because it's just the introduction to the SBCC project. So tomorrow, I believe we're going to have another webinar session at the same time. And for more information in which is the model, you should consult the website of SBCC project. So one of you have a question regarding the key aspects for trainers model?
Thank you, Eddie. I want to mention something. We won't have any webinar session tomorrow. We have on Wednesday.
Okay, so next one is on Wednesday. Okay, perfect. Thank you for the corroboration. So if no one has any question, I think that we could end the webinar. So thank you so much for your participation, and see you next Wednesday at 10 set time and 11 for Eastern time. So thank you so much.
See you. Thank you very much.